Everyone, respected judges, stages, and my dear friends. Myself, Vaidimpu, I'm studying in the class. I'm from JPHS Nanaman School. Today I'm here and I would like to speak out on topic that shapes the future of our nation. Your vote is your voice. Voting is most important for every citizen. Voting is not just a right; it is a responsibility, a power, and a duty that each of us must proudly carry as citizen for a democratic country. In a democracy, the biggest power does not lie with kings, ministers, or officers. It lies with people, and the tool that gives this power to the people is the vote. When we vote, we are not just selecting the candidate, we are choosing the kind of society we want to live in. A society with good roads, better schools, clean surroundings, safe for all, and opportunities for everyone. Some people say, what differences will my one vote can make? But remember, elections are decided just by a few votes. One vote can make a leader, one vote can change a policy, one vote can change the direction of our nation. A vote today shapes the world tomorrow. If we do not vote, we allow others decide our future. Every developed nation becomes strong when its citizens understood the power of voting. A responsible citizen of tomorrow, it is our duty to encourage others to around us, relatives, parents, neighbors to exercise the right to vote. And when turned to 18, we must proudly take part in this festival of democracy. A vote is not small mark in paper. It is the heartbeat of our democracy. A nation becomes strong when its citizens stand together, raise their voice, and vote with awareness. Thanks for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thanks.
విద్యార్థులు చేస్తున్న ఓటర్ల ప్రతిజ్ఞ. భారతదేశ పౌరులమైన మేము ప్రజాస్వామ్యంపై విశ్వాసంతో మన దేశ ప్రజాస్వామ్య సాంప్రదాయాలను స్వేచ్ఛాయుత నిష్పక్షపాత ప్రశాంత ఎన్నికల ప్రాభవాన్ని నిలబెడతామని మతం, జాతి, కులం, వర్గం, భాష లేదా ఎటువంటి ఒత్తిడులకు ప్రభావితం కాకుండా ప్రతి ఎన్నికల్లో నిర్భయంగా ఓటు వేస్తామని ఇందు మూలంగా ప్రతిజ్ఞ చేస్తున్నాము. సెల్యూట్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.